Hello, welcome to this video. We are starting a new chapter, chapter 5, surface chemistry. Let us introduce ourselves to this topic. Surface chemistry is the study of phenomena taking place on the surface of substances. What is surface? Surface is nothing but interface. Otherwise, we can call it boundary. It is the boundary between two phases. Suppose there is phase 1, this is phase 1, say solid. This is phase 2, gas. A boundary between the solid and gas constitute what we call interface. This is the interface. If we represent a solid like this is resting in air. Air is nothing but a gas. Of course, it is a mixture of several gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, traces of hydrogen, some inert gases. All these are mixed up and you have this air. So this solid is separated from this gaseous phase by this boundary. This is what we call interface, and the inside portion we call bulk phase. This is interface. How do you represent the interface between solid and gas? We can represent it as solid hyphen gas, or we can represent it as solid slash gas. Similarly, liquid hyphen gas or liquid slash gas. An interface between gas and another gas does not exist. Such a thing does not exist. The reason is these gases are completely miscible. Since being miscible, it is difficult to draw a boundary between the two gases. So this does not exist. What is the need for studying surface chemistry? Importance of surface chemistry. Importance of surface chemistry. Sorry. A large number of important phenomena take place on the surface of substances, that is on the interface. We shall list a few important such phenomena. Corrosion. When metals are left in air without protection, they easily react with components of the air and get damaged. That is what we call corrosion. You are familiar with that. Another, adsorption. this is adsorption and this is different from absorption. We will see the difference shortly. Electrode process, electrode process, heterogeneous catalysis, dissolution, and crystallization. These are all very important phenomena taking place on the surface of substances. Surface chemistry also finds great application in certain industrial processes. Industrial processes. Analytical works, even in daily life situations. Great application in industrial process, analytical work, daily life situations. So, a perusal of this list will tell you the importance of surface chemistry. So, in order to study surface chemistry, we need absolutely clean surfaces. Clean surfaces. When solids are left in space, major components of the air like nitrogen, oxygen, etc. will settle on the surface of these solids, on the surface of the solids, and it will get contaminated, whereby further studies cannot be conducted on the surface. So, in order to get such perfectly clean surfaces, these substances which are under study are stored in vacuum of the order 10 raised to minus 8 to 10 raised to minus 9 Pascal. This is high vacuum and the pressure is very low. The possibility of these substances settling on this becomes very much reduced. So, we can get meticulously clean or ultra clean surfaces by this. Now, what is the nature of this interface? What is the nature of this interface? This substance is made up of large number of molecules and a few superficial layers of the substance form the interface. This is the interface and it constitutes to the thickness of the interface. Thickness of interface. Everywhere the molecules are the same, but the superficial few layers of molecules constitute the thickness. Apart from this, it has also area. Area of the interface, thickness and area of the interface. Area of the interface depends upon size of particles. If the particles present in the substance is of big size, then the area will also be big. It will have larger area if the particles are of bigger size and vice versa. Now, though there are a large number of important phenomena taking place on the surface of substances. In this chapter, we will be learning adsorption and catalysis. Along with this, another topic, colloids. Colloids are also added. Colloids including emulsion and gels. Emulsions and gels. So this topic, catalysis and adsorption, these three topics are dealt in this chapter. This is by way of introduction. These subsequent portions will be learned in the coming videos. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.